The user can configure the loop current mode under the output setup. Refer to section 3.2.4 in the IOM. The loop current mode indicates whether the loop current is active or fixed. The loop current will reflect the process measurement as long as it is enabled. The loop current mode is set to enable at the factory, which allows operation in the standard point-to-point manned with a 4 to 20 mA output signal. The device is said to be in multi-drop mode when the loop current is fixed. Multi-dropping transmitters refers to the connection of several transmitters to a single communications transmission line. Communication between the host and the transmitters takes place digitally with the analog output of the transmitters deactivated. Up to 15 transmitters can be connected on a single twisted pair of wires. Each transmitter is identified by a unique address, 1 to 15, in this mode. The transmitter is set to address 0 at the factory. To activate multi-drop communication, the transmitter address must be changed to a number from 1 to 15. Let us change the address to 1 and observe its effects. It disables the loop current mode, thus deactivating the 4 to 20 mA analog output. In this mode it will be at 5 mA. It also disables the latching of analog output to 4 mA in case of a PV under range status and to 20 mA in case of a PV over range status. The self-diagnostic routine still remains active, thus continuing the alert reporting as per the PV measurement. Failure signals in multi-drop transmitters are communicated through the HART messages. The HART setup page provides the configuration of the device identification parameters. The user can set the values here as per the process requirement and then refer to them anytime under the device information window.